In 1961, it rose on Hong Kong's prestigious Nathan Road as Chungking Mansions, a symbol of the future. Comprising 5 distinct blocks, it was intended as modern, upscale residential housing. Its early residents were part of the city's burgeoning middle class, living in what was then a prime example of contemporary architecture, a clean and orderly icon on the Kowloon Peninsula. The dream did not last. A fire in 1966 damaged the building's reputation and infrastructure. By the 1970s, the original residents had moved out, and the individual flats were sold off and subdivided into countless small units. It quickly transformed into a hub for cheap accommodation, attracting a new wave of inhabitants, budget backpackers on the hippie trail, who gave the building its infamous, gritty, and sometimes dangerous reputation. The 1990s marked the most significant change. As China opened up and Hong Kong's global role surged, Chungking Mansions became a crucial node for low-end globalization. Entrepreneurs and traders, primarily from South Asia and Africa, discovered it as a place to source cheap electronics, especially mobile phones, to sell back home. The ground floor exploded into a chaotic marketplace. Simultaneously, its mystique was captured and romanticized in Wong Kar-wai's 1994 film, Chungking Express. The building's reputation for crime prompted a major shift in the 2000s. Over 300 CCTV cameras were installed, making it one of the most surveilled buildings in the area. This increased security didn't stop the business, it legitimized it. The mansion solidified their role as a vital, if unofficial, trade center. It was no longer just a backpacker den, but a complex, functioning economic ecosystem with its own set of rules. Today, Chungking Mansions is a paradox, a concrete block that Time magazine once called the best example of globalization in action. It houses thousands of residents from over 120 countries, contains hundreds of guest houses, and facilitates an estimated 20% of the mobile phones used in sub-Saharan Africa. It has evolved from a luxury residence to a lawless slum, to a vital global marketplace, a living, breathing city within a city.